In this video we'll show you how to remove, grease and refit the shaft on shaft driven motorcycles. Step 1. Equipment. Now this job should be a part of your service interval. I'd recommend doing it every 3 or 4 years. Unfortunately, most people tend to neglect it. So for this job you'll need the correct tools and sockets for your bike, some torque wrenches to torque everything up properly, some multi-purpose lithium grease. I'd recommend getting plenty. This is a 500 gram tin, which will be plenty for doing it many times, and the service manual for your bike. On there you'll get all the torque settings you need. Step 2. The bike. You want to position the bike on the centre stand. If you've not got one, support it somewhere on the frame so the rear wheel and rear suspension is elevated. Step 3. Disassemble. You want to undo the rear wheel before the caliper, so that when you're undoing it, you can get an assistant to apply the brake to stop the wheel from moving. Wait, Paul. Next is the sensor and rear brake. Obviously not all bikes have one of these. You also want to support the caliper with something like a bungee strap to take the strain off the brake line. Next we want to focus on removing the hub assembly. Pictures. Oh dear. I'll be down here as well. I'll let by. Just hold this. Right, now we'll be free. Sometimes I sleep. Yeah. I don't know if usually, it's leaving this. I just need to tap it out. Shall we go? That's manky, that. Ugh. Cool. Once you've removed the hub, you want to place it somewhere upright and where it doesn't rest on the brake disc. I find placing it between two pieces of wooden post is perfect for this. Now you can remove the shaft. Sometimes they can pull out. On some models you have to go to the front of the U-joint and prise it off just behind the engine with a flathead screwdriver.
Step 4. Grease.
Once you've got the shaft out, you want to check it for any damage, clean it and apply a generous amount of lithium grease on the U-joints and a little smear on the shaft itself as well to prevent corrosion.
Step 5. Reassembly.
Once you've greased the shaft up, you want to fit everything in the exact reverse order that you took it apart. Just take your time, ensure everything's seated properly and everything's torqued up. Hey! Perfect.
Lastly, step 6. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon.